Come here.
Yeah, you can go ahead and say
Oh, but don't tease her too much or else she'll start barking.
Come on. Drinking tea doesn't have to be complicated. You can enjoy it anytime. Especially when you're hanging with your friends.
All you need is tea leaves and hot water. First, you just pour in the tea leaves in any teapot you have. Then you pour in the hot water. You have to clean the tea leaves. You can start drinking the tea. Don't forget to like and subscribe.